next mud bogger. Come on, Shane. Make a run for us, buddy.
He's not at the gate already.
Give her. Lots of noise so far. Ride the wave, buddy. Ride the wave. Come on, Shane. Woo-hoo. Yeah.
Give her, man. Whoa. Give her.
Shane, brother. Shane, I love your drive, brother. I really love your drive. But back wheels only spinning do not a mud bogger champion make. Change your rims and come in here, man. I'd love to see that thing. I'd love to see it, man. You'll start a trend. You'll start a trend. You'll be an all-around cowboy. Here we go. This is Ethan Whitten. Come on, Ethan. Well, I'll tell you what. There we go. He's finding a gear now. Look at that. Here we go. Still going. Look at that.
We're gonna run it all up.
Climb, brother. Come on. Climb. Y'all get ready.
24-inch rim.
Grab your kids. Be on your toes, folks. Okay. Colin Parker. Come on, buddy. Come on, Colin.
I wish I got away with you.
Here we go.
And we usually move back to the
I didn't know what happened at the moment. That was
You better not. You better not. You better roll now. Roll now. Come on now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Go. Come on now. It's the pedal on the right, brother. It's the pedal on the right. Fire that up. You're still in the game. You're still in the game. Fire that up. Let's go. Make me proud, man.
I know.
Come on now.
That bucket will make it. Just something so simple. Starter one right.
Come on, Colin. You were going along great there. You were sounding like Grandpa on Hot Sauce Day, and then you just petered right out. What the hell?
Oh, brother. You did great.
pump start for the tractor.
Next time.
You want the tractor? Group and come back and do this properly? Stop listening to me. And I don't blame him, because if I was him right now, and listening to me, I would not like it. I know. I'm not a religious man, but I know that the Lord above is shining down upon us right now, that you will chastise this man. Go.
Call. What happened in the mud? That was sad. You've been chasing all around the campsite, burning holes in the grass, looking so good. What on, boys? For all of us, thank God. Because how many of you people would invite all these assholes to your house?
That's my God. Anywhere.
Sorry about the language.
It's already
Did you ever just have one of those days? Colin, can you hear me? Do not buy a lottery ticket today, because you, on this particular day in Mansfield, Ontario, could not possibly get lucky. That's it. Boom. Oh yeah. Turn your wheel to the left, Colin. Let's try that. He's a great guy to hang out with. But when he gets behind the wheel, he's got one speed, and that is pedal to the metal. All right? Now, when you got this much high fuel power,
when he comes by, you're all
and
behind
you
him.
got a man like my buddy Jeremy Whitman behind the wheel, Jeremy Whitman, things can go a little cray-cray. Y'all know what I'm saying? Alright, so things can get a little cray-cray. So what I want you to do is I want you to hold your loved ones close.
Cindy.
Okay? I want you to look behind you, and I want you to say, if I need to go backwards 4, 5, 6 feet, how's that going to go? Alright? Is everybody ready? Are you guys ready? Because it's fixing to get a little western here now. Alright. You ready down there? Drop that flag when you're ready. Jeremy Whitman, ladies and gentlemen, come on, Jer! Do it up now! Do it up now, brother! Yeah, buddy! Woo, woo, woo! Okay, I'll have a Big Mac, quarter pounder with cheese. All right, brother. What? Did you break it? Did you break it? You broke it? Did you break what you just fixed? Jeremy, did you break what you just fixed? Oh. Hey, Jer. Thanks, brother. Ladies and gentlemen, I talked to Jeremy before this thing got started, and he needed a part from Elmira. Went and got it. They worked on it back there. They ground it down. They cut it to the right length. They welded it in. He got this far. All right. This is the end of our day, ladies and gentlemen. How about a big round of applause? Let's hear it for my buddy Jeremy Whitman. All right. And Dante. All right. And Dante. All right. Our 2038 Silver Willow champion. My little buddy Dante. 30 days old right now. Folks, we want you to stick around. We want you to have some fun here this evening. Everybody play safe.
Be smart. We love you very much. And thank you all very much, ladies and gentlemen.